I'm cutting up a briefcase. I call it my Jefferson. It's made out of this English bridle leather from Sedgwick Tannery, UK. It's a darker brown. It's not medium. It's definitely not chocolate, so I think they're calling it like an Aussie brown. For frame of reference, this is the case that I'm making. It's going to have a center lock, double gusset, handle, similar to my Wallace, but without the straps. It's clean. It's just a classic design. So that's what I'm making, that Jefferson. And I already cut up a strap on this hide. This is the butt section of the animal. It's no belly. I just get the best part of it. So I'm cutting my briefcase. It's basically one briefcase is that bend, that butt section on one side, one half of the animal is the briefcase. So it's pretty much the whole thing. You could see I already cut up my lines. So where I'm gonna start taking out the panels, this is the main panel. This will be the front flap, the back section. This is the front small panel. This is the newspaper pocket, middle divider. I cut my gussets here and the side gussets here. This is the bottom gussets, the double gusset briefcase. And here is for my handle. And that's pretty much it. I'll cut the pockets out of this, and that's it. You got your single strap, and that's that. So this bag you'll probably see me make in weeks from now. I'm just cutting up, prepping up my bags right now, my briefcase that I have lined up into the future. So that's that. Till the next one.